Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a what I eat in a day video. What? I know I said I wasn't doing these anymore or as frequently, but actually I'm the first to admit that recently my snacking choices have become crazy. And not just that, with me working so much, my cooking has gone by the wayside, my healthy choices have kind of gone all out of the window. And even though this isn't about weight and not about me wanting to lose any weight, I do want to make myself accountable so that I don't get back into bad habits, which I've kind of already started doing. And I just wanted to, again, make myself more mindful of the choices that I'm making, especially as we head into the kind of Christmas season. I feel like I want to get a handle on it now so that I'm not going crazy at Christmas time, and because again my choices have been not the greatest. So yeah, this isn't about a weight loss or a weight gain. I'm a size 8. This isn't about weight. This is about me and my choices and being accountable and wanting to stay on the right track. So I am using the app again, guys. I have been matched to green. I'm not going to go into this in too much detail, but if you want to see the vlog where I mention how my thought process is and kind of what I was feeling at the time, I'm going to link that above on a card. You can go and give it a watch. But I'm just about to start work, so I'm going to have a coffee and just start work. And then my plan is to walk to Tesco, which is just around the corner from me, and pick up some nice fresh fruit to have with some yogurt. So that is the plan, but it's very early, so I'm going to have a coffee, get to work, and I'll check back. No idea what I'm having for dinner today, no idea what I'm having for lunch, but I will keep you guys posted. So, I've just finished my recording, I've done my calls, so I'm going to nip out and get some fresh fruit and also think about what I'm going to be having for lunch as well, because I'm not 100% sure. I quite fancy like a turkey sandwich. Who knows? I'm going to head out now, see what I want to get for dinner as well, so let's head to the shops. It's actually not that far away from lunchtime now, so I'm just gonna have a bit of fruit, guys, because if I have something too much, I'm not gonna eat my lunch, and I definitely want to make sure that I do. So I'm gonna have some blackberries along with some grapes, and I'm gonna have a banana as well. Alright, so I'm gonna whip up some lunch. I had that fruit earlier, as you saw. Big hoodie has gone on, it is gone well cold, but I had this turkey. Now I have actually had this before on blue plan, so it's going to be really interesting to see what this comes up with on green. I know it was so low on blue, like really low, so that'll be interesting. I've got some cucumber, some Hellmann's like mayo, seed sensations. Still drive me crazy. And I'm actually only going to have 3 slices because I feel like I really don't need more than that. 2 would have been absolutely fine, but I'm going to give this second slice to Dusty the cat because I spoil her, to be quite honest. And I'm going to have a little bit of cucumber on the side as well. I go fly through the wind. It's now time for dinner, and I've decided just to whip up a really simple curry. I'm going to whip this out in the point section later. I'll give you guys the point value. But in here I have some skinless chicken breast, some grated ginger, coriander, 2 cloves of garlic, some tomato puree. I have some coconut milk that I'm going to use, some tomato puree, and some herbs and spices. I'm going to pop all of the ingredients I'm using in the description to make a really quick and simple chicken curry. Coconut milk has gone in. I've also added some chicken stock, some chopped tomatoes, and some spices like curry powder, fenugreek, turmeric, cumin, garam masala. So now I'm going to let it come to the boil, which it pretty much has. I'm going to leave the lid slightly ajar, turn this down, and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. unlikely to have a bit of a treat later. I haven't opted for rice, neither is Andrew actually, because there's a load of curry here and we've got bread and we've got cucumber, so I'm not going to have rice today just because I'm not overly hungry, but normally I would have rice. But it smells delicious. It actually smells really tangy but creamy as well, which is bizarre, but it works. It smells really good. So I'm going to chow down on this and I'll check back in with you guys a bit later on. Been a fair few hours now. We've had dinner. It was actually really good because I've got a little bit of a cold going on at the moment. The fact that it had a lot of ginger in it and a lot of flavour was really good for me. It's definitely kind of helped ease the symptoms of that. But I've just reckoned the curry up in the app and it only came to 7 points, and I only ended up eating half the pita bread because I just wasn't that hungry. But I am feeling a bit peckish now and I've got about 15 points that I need to eat. So I'm thinking about having a hot cross bun with a very special treat in the form of my new obsession, which is the M&S Blondie caramelized white chocolate spread. I'm not even making it up, guys, it's the dream. Okay, so these are the hot cross buns that I love. They're my absolute favourite. It's the M&S hot cross buns. They're the luxury ones. I don't know what makes them luxury, but they're really, really good. I do enjoy them. So I'm going to check what these are on green because I have no idea. And these are 8 for one individual, which is perfectly fine because I have 15 points. And this is the all-important golden Blondie chocolate spread. Now this is a caramelized white chocolate. I have not had this that long. I think I've had this about a week and I'm nearly done with it. It's no joke. This is again why my portion control has just been, oh, it smells so good. It's just gone out of the window. I'm going to weigh up what I think I'm going to use, or I'm going to get it in a little bowl and we'll see. I think this will be more than enough for me for my hot cross bun. Actually more than I thought, and this is 3 points. I could easily have more of this, but I'm not going to because I honestly don't feel the need. So yeah, I'm going to track that, which means that I'm definitely going to have rollover. Guys, it's the next day now, so I'm going to wrap this video up here, but I hope you've all enjoyed it. I will get back into the mojo and the swing of filming these. I know that this one was probably a little bit here, there and everywhere, if I'm honest. And yeah, I'm just really happy you guys are excited to see them. So comment down below, let me know what you want to see more of. Do you want to see more like Middle Eastern food? Do you want to see more meal planning, meal prepping, recipes that are from scratch? And also, I have mentioned this before, but I'm thinking about doing some kind of digital download for all of my recipes that I've done so far. I have about 100 recipes that I have that I was using for my recipe clubs, but I'm not doing that anymore. So I'm thinking about, you know, having like a download link where you guys can pay a small cost and download them digitally, so you can go and print them off. So let me know if anyone is interested in that, and I'll make sure to start looking into it, so you guys have my recipes, you can cook along with me on certain items. So yeah, comment down below and let me know if that's something that you would be interested in. I don't know if there's any call for it, but let me know. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.